Hi everyone, Tam here. Welcome to my channel, and I have some dolly mail. A very sweet lady, and I think it's okay to say who she is. Yaz, you know who you are out there. She was actually one of the 30-something people that joined us for the virtual Blythe Retreat 2022 that we did not too long ago, back in September. And she messaged me and said she wanted to send me some dolly goodies. So it arrived. It actually arrived a couple of days ago, but I've been traveling, so I didn't get to open it before I left because it arrived while I was gone. So now I'm going to open it up and share it with you. So I can't wait to see what's in here. All right, let's see what is in the dolly mail here from Yaz. Oh, this is some furniture. Oh, this looks like furniture. Okay, let me see what her little note says. So here's the note from Yaz. Tammy, I hope that you like this gift. I had a lot of fun seeing the collaborations you do with Blythe dolls. I can't wait to see how you use them. How fun. Thank you so much, Yaz. So yeah, that was underneath this, which looks like, this is furniture. Yeah, I think these are supposed to be like furniture for, you know, like a, what do you call it? Like patio furniture for the dolls. All right, I'll do that off camera. I'll be back. I'll show you this after I put it all together. Let's see what else is in here. Ooh, look at this fabric. Oh, it's in a mesh bag. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh, there are dolls down there too. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, charms and beads. Let's see. Oh, how pretty. Look at that. So this is for the, look at, oh, mermaids. She knows how much I like mermaids. How pretty. Oh, you made these. How gorgeous. So these are nice. These can be used on the dollies. And of course, I'm, you know, doing some customizing. So perfecto. These are, I can use these good to go like this. All right. I'll show you pictures at the end too, so you can see them, everything close up. So that's really pretty. Let me put these back in here so I don't lose them. Oh, and some fat. Oh, here's some more beads. No, let me move this box. Now I'm dealing with it. Oh, some more beads. These are crystals. Look how pretty these are. Nice. These are gorgeous. These are like a crackly, and they have bead caps on them. I really like bead caps. Get it in the camera there. And then something's in here. Nothing little. Ooh, some charms. Cute. How cute. Oh, these are nice charms. Really nice. Little. So we got a mermaid. We got some shells. And this cute Adorbs crab. Thank you. These will be great to use on the pull strings. Decorating them. Nice, nice, nice. All right, so let me get that fabric. Take a look. I knew she said she was going to put some fabric in there. All right. Close that up. Whoop. Oh, nice. So this is really nice for, the scale is really good for dolls. Very cute. Oh, nice. And then, so this can go with this. Oh, look at those. Flamingos. Super cute. That would be fine for a dress. That would work very well. Look at these. Oh my goodness, how cute are these little ballerina sparkly fairy girls. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh, sewing pattern. Very cute. And then this with this looks really nice together. This actually is Christmassy. I like that. It's a different kind of Christmas fabric. How cool. Yeah, all of these are perfect for doll clothes. Very nice. Oh, look at these. These are like little chairs. So I wonder if these go with this over here. So like I said, I'll put that all together. We'll see what it all looks like. All right, we got some hands. Dolly hands. Blythe hands. Shoes. Oh my gosh. Oh girl, look at these shoes are so. And some heart-shaped sunglasses. Ah. All right, Malibu will totally steal these. Look how cute these are. Oh my gosh. Yes, you are so generous. Thank you. Oh, and I love these little shoes. I was just thinking I needed some new black ones the other day too. So nice. Look at these. They're purple. These are really nice shoes. Can never have too many doll shoes. Seriously. Especially when they're all dressed and then you start stealing shoes from other dolls. Woo! And they've got little sneakers. These are cute. Very cute. Oh my gosh. All right. Put that over there. Oh, here's some more fabric. Again, this is good for, and this is kind of stretchy. So this is like a t-shirt type fabric. Very soft. You see that? Oh, nice. Oh my gosh. You know, oh, she is cute. And these are the dolls that have eyebrows already on them and stuff. So she has pink and brown hair. Very unusual combination. How cute. And her face is super sweet. She's got like a very peachy pink lips and light blushing. And there's her pink eyes. She's got some blue, pink eyeshadow. Side gray. Front blue. Side brown. Which those look good with that hair, actually. Alrighty. There's another doll in here. Oh my gosh, how cute is she? And this is a side part. So, look at her hair. Look how cute she is. You know what's funny is, okay, so I think I have this doll. And I have been kind of debating on whether I was going to customize her or not. I need to pull her out and see if she's the same doll. Because I was a little hesitant about, because I really like the way she looks already. And I wasn't sure about customizing her. But now if I have two, then one I can customize and one I can keep as is. Because as is, they're really cute. She's got the pink eyeshadow like the other doll. She's got eyebrows already. There's her side brown. Her front pink. Her side gray, and her front blue. And she's matte faced. And this hair is just beautiful. Very thick and luscious side part. She's super cute. Both these dolls. Look how cute they are. I have to say, I'm kind of impressed with the these new kind of semi-customized dolls that I'm seeing on AliExpress. So before you leave, just hang out for a little bit longer. I'm going to show you some pictures of the furniture put together and get these dolls in some clothes. And yeah, show you just pictures of everything kind of a little bit better here because it's all mishmashed on the table. Again, yes, thank you very, very much. I really appreciate having all the support from my viewers. It really means a lot to me. As usual, I appreciate a thumbs up and have a wonderful Dolly Day. Bye-bye.